Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. From the first two video, I think you got an idea about probability distribution. That is the last topic of our chapter, probability. Then after that, we can discuss some miscellaneous questions. Then what is probability distribution? We can discuss an example. Say a coin is tossed 2 times. What is the probability distribution of number of heads? What is required in the question? We have to find the probability distribution of number of heads. And here in probability distribution, what is required in the question is called the random variable. And the first topic we have studied the conditional probability. In conditional probability, what is required in the question is the numerator event. And in Bayes' theorem, what is required in the question is called the partition and the condition is called the event. You remember? And here in this topic, probability distribution, what is required in the question is called the random variable. Don't forget. Then can you say which is the random variable here? Yes, find the probability distribution of number of heads. Yes, the random variable is the number of heads. A coin is tossed 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Then maximum value of x can be 2. Why? A coin is tossed only 2 times. We can take the value x equal to 0, 1, 2. What does it mean? Yes, x equal to 0 means number of heads can be 0, 1 or 2. Can you say the sample space? A coin is tossed 2 times. Yes, the sample space is HH, HT, TH, TT. Only 4 outcomes. Then we have to find the probability of each variable. First, probability of x equal to 0. What does it mean? What is x? Number of heads. Probability of 0 heads. That means probability of 0 heads. Which is the outcome? 0 head means no head. That is the outcome TT. Then what is the probability? 1 by total 4. 1 by 4. And P of x equal to 1. What does it mean? X equal to 1 is number of heads 1. Only 1 head. That is P of HT, TH. How many outcomes? 2. Total 4. What is the probability? 2 by 4. And P of x equal to 2. What does it mean? P of x equal to 2? Yes, 2 heads. Which is outcome? HH. Then probability 1 by 4. And here what is required in the question is called the random variable. And the next you write the values of the random variable, all the possible values. Then find the probability of each variable and probability distribution. Probability distribution is an arrangement of the random variable with their corresponding probability. And this arrangement is called probability distribution. Don't forget to write the distribution. Probability distribution is, see in the box, write the random variable and their corresponding probability. That is the random variable x0, 1, 2. Then write the corresponding probability P of x 1 by 4, P of 1 2 by 4 and P of 2 1 by 4. And this arrangement is called probability distribution. In any probability distribution, 2 conditions are there. That is the condition for the probability of an event. Probability of any event is always positive. That means non-negative. It can be 0. Probability is always non-negative. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 4. All are non-negative. You know the point? In any distribution, probability of an event is always non-negative. And the second condition, the total probability of any event is always 1. That means by adding the probability, you will get 1. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is 4 by 4, 1. That 2 conditions must be satisfied in any probability distribution. What are the 2 conditions? Probability of an event is always non-negative and the total probability is always 1. Then what is probability distribution? Probability distribution is an arrangement between the random variable and the probability and with their corresponding probability. In general, we can define the probability distribution of the random variable x1, x2 up to xn with the corresponding probabilities p1, p2 up to pn is the arrangement or the system of numbers. Okay, in first row it is the random variable x takes values x1, x2 up to xn. And below that write the corresponding probability p of x, p1, p2 up to pn. This arrangement is called probability distribution. In this arrangement, the total probability is distributed over many values of the random variables. Okay, the total probability is distributed to all the random variables x1, x2 up to xn. That is why it is called probability distribution. And which are the two conditions? The total probability, that is sigma I is equal to 1 to n, p of xi is equal to 1, and each probability is non-negative, that is p of xi is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, such an arrangement is called probability distribution. Okay, that is here the total probability is distributing. That is why it is called probability distribution. Okay, and related to this topic, many questions are there in the exercise. Okay, we can do the exercise one by one through WhatsApp. Okay, have you got an idea? Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, thank you.